In this video, I'm revealing 5 powerful Windows hacks you probably never knew about, and trust me, they can seriously boost your productivity and system performance. These tricks work on most Windows versions, especially Windows 10 and Windows 11, so if you are ready to unlock hidden features and take control of your PC like never before, you are in the right place. Let's get started. The first hack is Unlock God Mode on Windows. Ever wish you had one control panel for everything in Windows? Say hello to God Mode. It doesn't give you invisibility, but it does give you complete access to every setting on your system, all in one folder. Here is how to enable it. Right-click your desktop, then select New, and click on Folder. Rename the folder with this special code. I'll drop all the codes in the description. Then you press Enter. Now you will see a new icon called God Mode. Open it and access hundreds of settings. Everything from Device Manager to Advanced Power Options. Total control, no digging through menus. The second hack is enable the Ultimate Performance Power Plan. Want every ounce of speed from your PC? Unlock the Ultimate Performance Power Plan. Here is how. Click on the Windows search icon and type CMD. Then you run the CMD as an administrator. Once it opens, paste this command and hit enter, which is the power cfg-duplicate scheme. I'll drop this command too in the description. Now, click on the Windows search icon and type in power options and select the ultimate performance. Your system will now prioritize speed and responsiveness, perfect for gamers and power users. And a quick tip, if you have too many power plans, just select a different one and go to change plan settings and hit delete this plan to clean up the clutter. The third hack is use reliability monitor, which is better than event viewer. If your PC is acting weird, most people jump to the event viewer, which can be overwhelming, but here is a better way. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Type PERFMON /rel and hit enter. Welcome to the Reliability Monitor, a clean timeline showing crashes, errors, updates and hardware failures. Click on any red X or warning to see exactly what went wrong and when. It's like a health tracker for your PC and is built right into Windows. The fourth hack is use multiple virtual desktops like a professional. Want to keep your gaming, work and entertainment separate? Windows lets you run multiple desktops simultaneously. Press Ctrl plus Windows plus D to create a new desktop. Use Ctrl plus Windows plus left or right arrow to switch between them. Press Windows plus Tab to see all desktops and apps at a glance. And to close any virtual desktop, click the close icon when you are done. This is perfect for multitaskers who want to stay organized and focused. The fifth hack is to fix Windows issues with SFC and DISM commands. These two simple commands can fix many system issues, from a broken start menu to a random crashes and even low FPS in games. Open command prompt as administrator by clicking on the Windows search icon and typing CMD. Then you right click to run as administrator. First, run the system file checker, which is the SFC. Type this command. Type SFC /scannow. Then you press enter. This scans for corrupted system files and automatically repairs them. Once the SFC scan is complete, run the DISM tool to fix deeper operating system problems. Type DISM /online cleanup-image /restore health. I'll leave all the commands in the description. Press enter after typing. These tools are built into Windows and should be used regularly to keep your PC running smoothly. They can save you from costly repair bills or full system reinstalls. Now on to bonus tips. Remember, run these two commands regularly, especially after Windows updates or crashes. They are essential tools every PC user should know. Most tech shops will charge for running these, but now you can do it yourself for free. That's the end of this tutorial. If you learned something new, smash that like button. And if you really enjoyed it, consider subscribing for more tips just like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll catch you in the next video.